What's up guys, it's your boy Al and we're back in the kitchen with another meal for you guys. It's a very easy, fast, low fat meal today with sweet potato, chicken breast, onion and paprika. The first thing that you do, stab this motherfucker with a fork a few times and put in the microwave for roughly 2 minutes. While the sweet potato is in the microwave, we put the chicken breast in a pan of water, add some salt, add some onion and heat up and cook. See you in a bit. The sweet potato had its time in the microwave. What we're gonna do now is prepare this bitch. First, we're gonna cut it up in half. So I'm gonna eat halfway this meal. As you can see, it's not quite soft yet. It is here, but in the middle, it's still a bit hard. So what we're gonna do, stab it some more and put it another minute in the microwave. While doing that, going to cut this baby and the onion, cut it up in little pieces. Oh, as you can see, it's getting softer, so you can scoop some of it out and you have it. It's a bit hot, watch your hands while doing this. This is what you want. Looks like a canoe. Flatten the base with the spoon. Make room for it. You can reuse this for something else. I don't need it right now. prepared the sweet potato, the chicken. We boiled the chicken, and now we're gonna cut the chicken in pieces or rip it apart. Put it in the pan together with the onion and the paprika. So let's get into step 3. From here on we add the spices. I'm going to use a bit of salt, some garlic powder, one of my personal favorites, the Portuguese piri-piri powder. And last but not least, lemon juice. Just pop a few drops. So it has been like roughly 7 minutes and we finished the meal. It looks like this right now. Have a nice look. I can tell it's going to be really delicious. The macros will be in the description down below. Hope you guys enjoy this meal. Give it a shot. Let me know what you know. Give it a shot. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. And if you would like a different kind of meal, let us know as well. 1 chicken breast, 1 paprika, and 1 onion gave us basically enough for a second serving. So you can make, if you have a big sweet potato, you cut them clean in half, you can make 2 of them, so one per person, and have a nice dinner, lunch, whatever. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a nice day.